Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in Kupwara district. The occupation troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Machil area of the district. Occupied Kashmir is one of the most dangerous places of the world where people associated with the press and media are performing their professional duties in most difficult circumstances, according to a report compiled by the Kashmir Media Service editor Rais Ahmed Mir on the occasion of World Press Freedom Day today. 20 journalists have been confirmed killed while performing their duties during the Kashmiris' ongoing liberation struggle since 1989. The report pointed out that journalists face manhandling, abductions, murder, attempts, harassment, detentions, summoning to the police station, and death threats by the Indian Army, police, and other agencies in the territory. Posters have appeared with the pictures of Pakistan Army's Chief General Syed Asim Munir, praising him for showing solidarity with the Kashmiris and championing their cause of right to self-determination. The posters have been pasted at many places in Srinagar saying, "Thank you Pakistan Army Chief, we are grateful to you for sticking to your national stand regarding the occupied status of Jammu and Kashmir and supporting the Kashmiris' just cause." People's Democratic Party has said that the residents of the territory are faced with an existential threat as the Bharatiya Janata Party government in India is plundering resources of Jammu and Kashmir like the East India Company once did in the subcontinent. This was stated in a resolution adopted in the PDP meeting in Srinagar chaired by its president Mehbooba Mufti. National Conference has said that the BJP-led Indian government is disempowering people in general and the youth in particular by robbing their jobs after scrapping the unique identity of the territory in August 2019. Jammu-based senior National Conference leader Ajay Kumar in a statement said the people are feeling marginalized after downgrading the status of occupied Jammu and Kashmir to a union territory and opening up its jobs and lands for the non-state subjects. India has deployed additional forces personnel in the name of security during a meeting of the G20 countries in the occupied Kashmir. Marine and NSG National Security Guard commandos would be deployed to protect the guests and the venue of the event. Commando teams will be deployed along with the Special Operation Group personnel to counter the drone attacks. Delhi High Court has issued a notice to the dreaded National Investigation Agency on a plea moved by the illegally detained senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Naeem Ahmed Khan against a fake case registered by the agency. It is submitted in the appeal that the prosecution has failed to substantiate any allegations related to affiliation or even any remote connection with any banned organization. Fascist Narendra Modi-led Hindutva government of India has decided to auction lithium blocks which were found in the occupied territories Riyasi district later this year. Secretary of the Indian Ministry of Mines Vivek Bhardwaj said that the auction of the lithium reserves would start by December this year.